everybody, so today I'm gonna introduce you to all my homemade fidget toys. First we have this flower, pop it, it's white and you pop it. And we have this triple simple dimple. So you just pop, 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 pop. Okay, the last one is a fidget pad. Okay, so first we have this bottle, and then we have this cardboard, marble, and bottle cap together, and we make a ball that moves around. Okay, then these rubber bands are for stretching, tucking it, and we have this. It says push, so we push both sides. Okay, so I like these. I like the fidget pad the most. Comment down below which one you like the most. Bye bye.